Sometimes you forget the value of choosing the right gym management system and you focus more on the short-term upfront cost without considering the long-term impact on your gym business. Hey gym owners, check this out.
What did you like about the presentation and how does the pricing itself works for you as a gym owner?
We do like system, di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi once na walang system ang business mo, hirapin niya eh. Di ba? Been
Right.
there, done that. Kumbaga, walang accountability yung mga before ko, walang tawag dito, sige basta lang, lista lang, ganito, ganyan. Minsan, hindi pa nalilista, minsan, kasi syempre, pagod ka na, hindi mo na maiintindi pa yung mga ganung bagay eh, di ba?
Mhm.
Too much to stress pa yung mga ganung bagay na, alam mo yun, ang importante sa atin is yung conveniency, di ba? Yung less time na makakain sa atin na accurate yung sa system itself. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi sa kanya. Medyo mahina pa ako when it comes to numbers. I relied na mas gusto ko yung ganyan.